Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change music length on Facebook Story. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, I will pass the information on my Android, but it's the same information for your iPhone too. The first thing you need to do is log on Facebook and into your account. After doing that, you will see this plus button at the top right corner. You need to click it, and after doing that, you will select Story right there. Select Story, and here you will need to import a photo or a video from your gallery or take a picture or video on your moment. In my case, I will record a video right now, but you can import from your gallery. After doing that, you will see right here several music, so you need to select the music that you want to use. I will choose this one just for example. And you will see that there is no option to change the music length on Facebook Story. That is because it is impossible to change right here. What you need to do is log on your Instagram and come to your story page. After doing that, you take your picture or video, come right here at the top right corner, select music, and again, the same music that you want to add to your story. After doing that, you will see this button right here. So you need to click, then choose the clip duration. So you need to click and select the time that you want to use, the clip duration that you want to choose right here. After doing that, you click on Done. Again, click on the three dots and save to your gallery. After doing that, you log again into your Facebook and you need to import the video, the one where you changed the music length on your Instagram to your Facebook Story. So that's basically how you can change music length on Facebook Story. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.